How to allow or deny appear on top permission to apps on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you want to allow or deny appear on top permission to apps on Samsung Galaxy phones, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your mobile device. Once you've opened your mobile device, now you need to simply go for the settings. And once you're here on the settings, now you can scroll down under your settings and here you will have apps option. Tap on apps. Under your apps, you can go for see all apps and here on the upper right, you will have the three dots icon under your application. Tap on that and here you may have three options. So in some devices you may not have the option, but in some Samsung devices you may have an option of special access between these two options. So you need to simply go for the special access, and once you tap on the special access, under that you will have a bunch of options and then you will have an option of appear on top. So if you tap on appear on top, then you will have all of the applications and you will have a toggle button on the right side of the application. So you need to simply toggle that on if you want to allow, or if you want to deny, then you need to toggle that off. So that's how you can allow or deny appear on top permission to apps on Samsung Galaxy phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.